Today I'd like to talk to you about design in the city of Rome. There's not a lot that needs to be built in a city like Rome, and that's one of the things that's always attracted me to it. The lack of urgency, the lack of consumption. There aren't too many vacant lots where somebody comes along and says, here I want to build a testament to my power, my wealth. Here I want to build my empire. No, the empire was built 2,700 years ago. The empire has long since been gone. It's left its shells, it's left vestiges of its greatness, but it didn't stop there either. Those shells were reused and never truly discarded. So Rome today is a palimpsest. Marks of every different era are visible, one beneath the other, one eradicating and replacing the other, and yet never completely erasing it. When you build in Rome, you don't find a plot of land on which to build, you find a site which is often a part of the city, a building. I often think that the site of an architectural project in a less complex, well, I shouldn't say less complex, but less complex in terms of its built environment, context, we think of as land. The simplest, dumbed down building site is a bulldozed, flat plot of land into which you dig the foundations, above which you build a building, into which you pump resources, and out from which you pump waste. That rarely occurs in Rome, and that really shouldn't occur in nature either. There's no reason that we should search for those simplified sites, or worse, take a site with its natural complexity, level it, strip it down until it becomes seemingly simplistic. A building site in Rome is very often three-dimensional. It's very often a building which gets gutted. Instead of building on the ground, you build in a shell. It's still a site. It's a site with all of the complexity that a natural site has, more so because of the cultural heritage aspect, deciding what's maintained, what can be safely, ethically, honestly replaced,